Let's demystify affiliate marketing. You might have heard the term tossed around online, but what does it really mean? At its core, affiliate marketing is a way for everyday people to earn money by recommending products or services they genuinely like. It's a modern twist on word of mouth powered by the internet. Imagine recommending a great movie to a friend and the cinema thanks you with a little cash. That's affiliate marketing in a nutshell. But instead of movies, it could be anything. Books, gadgets, online courses, or even your favorite coffee maker. Companies want more people to discover their products. Anything from gadgets to online courses. They know that personal recommendations are powerful, so they team up with people like you to help spread the word. Here's how it works. You sign up for a company's affiliate program and get a unique link. When someone clicks your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. It's all tracked automatically, so you don't have to worry about keeping tabs. It's a win-win. Companies get more customers, and you get rewarded for your honest recommendation. You're not just selling, you're helping people find things they'll love. Think of yourself as a helpful guide in the vast online marketplace. You're pointing people toward products that solve their problems or make their lives better. You're not a pushy salesperson. You're a trusted friend sharing what you love. People appreciate genuine advice, especially when it comes from someone they trust. The customer pays the same price. Your reward comes from the company's profit. There's no extra cost for your friends or followers, making it a win for everyone involved. No need for inventory or a big team. You don't have to worry about shipping, customer service, or storing products. You're simply connecting people with great products and letting the company handle the rest. Find something you genuinely like, share why it's great, and give people an easy way to find it. You can do this through blog posts, videos, social media, or even just chatting with friends. That's the whole business model. No complicated spreadsheets or business loans. You don't need a fancy office or a big budget to get started. Just you, your good taste, and a special link. With a bit of creativity and consistency, you can turn your recommendations into real income. Anyone can start earning online this way. No tech wizardry required. Whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, or just looking for a side hustle, affiliate marketing is open to everyone. It's honest, simple, and a clever way to earn on the side. You can work from anywhere, set your own hours, and grow at your own pace. Ready to see how it works in practice? Let's dive deeper and explore the real steps to becoming a successful affiliate marketer. Here's the shocker. What you've always been told about needing a website to start affiliate marketing? It's simply not true. And it's time to break free from that old mindset. You don't need a website to start affiliate marketing. In fact, you can launch your journey right from your phone, tablet, or laptop. No expensive hosting or complicated setup required. Forget the old advice about coding and web design. You don't need to learn HTML, buy a domain, or spend hours tweaking layouts. Those days are over for beginners. Today, people spend their time on social media, watching quick videos and chatting in online communities. That's where the real action happens. And that's where your audience is already hanging out. Your phone is all you need. It's your studio, your press, and your direct line to millions of potential customers. You can record, edit, and publish content from anywhere at any time. You can create and share content instantly, no website required. Post a story, upload a reel, or drop a comment. Your message can reach people in seconds. This levels the playing field for everyone, no matter your background, experience, or resources. Anyone can get started, and everyone has a shot at success. The digital world is your oyster. You don't need to own the restaurant. You just need to show up where the crowd is and offer something valuable. Let's ditch the website myth and focus on smart, free ways to share your affiliate links. There are endless platforms and creative strategies waiting for you. Be a guerrilla marketer. Pop up where people already are. Whether it's in a Facebook group, a trending hashtag, or a viral video comment section. Your enthusiasm and personality matter more than any fancy website. People connect with real stories, genuine recommendations, and authentic energy. The only essential ingredient is you. So get out there, be bold, and start sharing. No website required. Let's dive into the most effective places to share your affiliate links in 2025. The digital landscape is always evolving, and staying ahead means knowing where your audience spends their time online. Whether you're a seasoned affiliate or just starting out, these platforms are where you'll want to focus your energy for maximum impact. Short video apps like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts are absolutely dominating right now. These platforms are where trends are born and where products go viral overnight. Make a quick, engaging video showing off a product you love, and don't forget to add your affiliate link in the description or your profile bio. Authenticity is key. People want to see real experiences, not just ads. Online communities, think Reddit, Facebook groups, and even niche forums, are gold mines for sharing recommendations. These spaces are built around trust and shared interests. Join groups related to your product, participate in discussions, answer questions, and be genuinely helpful. When the moment is right, share your link in a way that feels natural and valuable to the group. Don't overlook Pinterest. It's more than just pretty pictures. Pinterest is a powerful visual search engine, perfect for sharing product reviews, recommendations, and inspiration. Create eye-catching pins with mini reviews and your affiliate links. Use high-quality images and clear, helpful descriptions to stand out. The best part, these pins can keep bringing in clicks, traffic, and commissions for months or even years after you post them, making Pinterest a long-term asset. AI writing assistants like ChatGPT are your secret weapon. They can help you craft catchy descriptions, brainstorm creative post ideas, and even write engaging captions in seconds. Use AI to save time, overcome writer's block, and keep your content fresh and exciting. The possibilities are endless when you combine your creativity with smart tools. Don't limit yourself to just one platform. Mix and match these channels to reach more people and test what works best for your audience. The real secret? Be helpful, authentic, and present wherever your audience hangs out. Build trust by offering real value and honest recommendations. You don't need a big budget or fancy equipment, just creativity, consistency, and a willingness to connect with people. The best part is, most of these tools are free, and the opportunities to grow your affiliate income are truly endless if you're willing to put in the effort. So, are you ready to get your links out there and start making an impact in 2025? The future of sharing is bright. Jump in and make it yours. Choosing what to promote is crucial. Start with what you know and love, your hobbies and passions. Promoting products you believe in feels natural and authentic. Join affiliate programs like Amazon Associates for a wide range of products. Explore affiliate networks like Arwin, ClickBank, or ShareASale for more options. Look for products you'd recommend to friends or family. Check reviews and commission rates, but always prioritize quality. Your reputation as a trusted source matters most. Promote things you're proud of, not just what pays the most. Quality and trust always win. You've got your product and your link. Now create valuable content. Content means anything you share online, videos, pictures, comments, or text. Make your content helpful, entertaining, or informative. Solve a problem or answer a question. Show, don't just tell. For example, demonstrate a stain remover pen in action or make a quick tutorial using a product. Share your personal stories and experiences for authenticity. Let your personality shine. People connect with real people, not brands. Be honest about what works for you. Use tutorials, reviews, and how-tos to provide value. Don't worry about being perfect, just be genuine. The more helpful you are, the more people will trust your recommendations. Build trust and the clicks will follow. Keep it real, keep it useful. Feeling overwhelmed? Here's a simple plan to start today. Brainstorm your interests, anything goes. Pick one niche, like baking for beginners. Find a product in that niche with good reviews. Sign up for an affiliate program like Amazon Associates. While waiting for approval, plan 3 helpful content ideas. For example, a common beginner mistake, a quick tutorial, or a product review. Once approved, make a simple video or post using your phone. Upload it to TikTok or Instagram Reels. Add your affiliate link to your profile bio. Repeat the process, be consistent and helpful. Don't stress about perfection, just start. Every piece of content is a step forward. You're now an affiliate marketer. That's affiliate marketing. Simple, accessible, and ready for you. You don't need a website, a budget, or permission to begin. Use short videos, forums, and Pinterest to share what you love. Focus on helping and entertaining. Value comes first. Don't worry about being perfect, just start. The internet needs real, authentic voices like yours. Pick something you're passionate about and share it. Take the first step today. You'll be amazed where it leads. The opportunity is free and waiting. Give it a go, you have nothing to lose, your adventure starts now.